How to change name on Facebook. So if you want to change your name on Facebook, first of all you have to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook application, in top right corner you will find three-barred icon. Tap on the three-barred icon and scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, tap on settings. After tapping on settings, choose the first option, account center. After tapping on account center, tap on profiles and then choose the account which you want to change the name. After choosing your account, tap on the first option, name. After tapping on name, in first blank you have to enter your first name, and in second blank you have to enter your middle name, and in third blank you have to enter your surname. So if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So after changing your name, tap on review change and then preview your name. So if you want your surname first and your name at last, you can choose it in that way, or if you want your name first and your surname at last, you can choose the other option. So I'm keeping it as it is, and after choosing that, tap on save change. After tapping on save change, your name is updated successfully. So if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.